Is each graph a function? And if so, is it a one-to-one function? We can use the vertical line test to determine whether a graph is a function. What we're doing is we're taking a vertical line and we are putting it anywhere along the graph. And when we do so, it should intersect the graph in only one point. I should be able to draw a line anywhere and say that it's intersecting the graph at only one point. So looking at this, I say, yes, this is a function. If something is a function, we can look at it in a different way using horizontal lines to determine whether it's one-to-one. If I draw a line this way, horizontally, I can see that it's intersecting in 3 different locations. So this is not one-to-one. Let's look at the next example. If I draw a vertical line right here, I can see that this is intersecting the graph in 2 locations. And because it's intersecting in 2 locations, this is not a function. If something is not a function, we don't even worry about whether or not it's one-to-one. We only talk about one-to-one if the original is a function. For this example, if I draw a vertical line somewhere, it looks like it's only intersecting in one value. Even though these parts of the graph are really, really steep, like here and here, they are only intersecting the graph in only one place. It's growing just very slowly, but the way that this graph is scaled, it looks like it's vertical, but it's not. So this is a function. And then let's take a look at some horizontal lines. If I draw horizontal lines this way, it's only intersecting in one location. Similarly here, even though this looks like it's maybe not passing the horizontal line test, that function is growing just very, very slowly. So this is a one-to-one function. For our last example, if I were to draw some vertical lines, it does look like this intersects in only one point at a time. So this is a function. But we can see that it's not going to be one-to-one. If we look at these spaces like here and here, it's not passing the vertical line test. So this is not one-to-one.